Oh shit, look what we have here. Some red Honda emblems. I just got my Honda red emblems straight from the Steeler strip. They finessed me for them. This is what I paid. Right here. You gotta get a shot of that. Okay, I paid $69.97 for the front and $61.23 for the back. And since I have a sedan, I'm gonna be using a regular front and back type wire emblem. But if you have a coupe, you're gonna want to get two front emblems, and they should fit. And I'm gonna show you guys how to a drill. You're gonna need a drill, fucking drill bits, and something for your knees. What I'm gonna do, put a little bit of some toothpaste right here, like that, just to use as a marker. Line it up. And there. Okay, now that we have our estimate of where our studs are at, I'm gonna get a drill bit. Oh, this is gonna hurt. It's gonna be scary. Just drill it right here. Did I get it? Okay, once we did our drill bit and we did our first hole, we're gonna just keep increasing the size of our hole until I think this thing should fall off. Okay, let's make it bigger. Okay, I see that one. See, I found this one, so this one's good. There you go. It worked. It freaking worked. Hey, and I mean, you still mess up your Honda sign, but if you want to put it up on a wall or something as a memory, it still works. Okay, so what you want to do is pop these out. Just gonna use a drill bit and pop, pop, and there you go. Your emblems is off in less than a minute. Okay, and now we have our. Off. You just want to test fit it. Oh. Okay, now you just peel off your sticky tape. Oh yeah. There you go. Peel that off. Line it up. You're golden. Boom. That's it. Now we have the back emblem, same exact concept. Just gonna pop it out of this package. Woo. Fresh. Okay. We get our marking shit. Put a little bit. Go a little bit. Get some fresh breath real quick. Okay. Same thing. Kind of eyeball it, line it up. right there, I think. Okay. I have a basic idea. And we got our drill bits right here. I always start with the small one. I want to start small drill bit. Just be gentle. From there, we're gonna go a little bigger. Oh, first try, I think. I don't know. Let's do the other side. Yeah, I think I did get that one first try. Oh, this one came out so nice. Now look at this. Oh, it's sticked on there. So nice to have tape. There you go. So the back has tape. The front, I don't think had tape. The front had tape? Yeah, the front doesn't have tape and the back has tape. But look at that. 2 Honda signs with holes in them. Hang them on your wall. For sale on eBay. Hit me up if y'all trying to buy these. And there you go, just like that. No, I mean, just wanna give this a clean. The towels doesn't have nothing on it. Look, the reason this part would look like that was because I can't really clean it there. Now I did. Okay. And here we have this bad boy right here. I'm just gonna same thing, peel it off. And oh, I forgot to take that. Yeah, fuck it. There you have it. They're on. They are on. Make sure to like, favorite,